Mini frittatas. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons olive oil, red onion, 1 piece, chopped, 6 large eggs, cheddar cheese, low fat, half cup, whole milk, 5 tablespoons, basil leaves chopped, half cup, paprika, 1 teaspoon, sweet pepper, 1 piece, chopped, salt and pepper, as the desired amount. Preparation. Step 1. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan. Add the onion and cook for about 5 minutes over medium heat, until fried, then let cool. Then, in a large bowl, blend the eggs, cheese, milk, salt, paprika, sweet pepper, and basil and whisk until fully combined. Add the cooled onions to the egg mixture and mix again. Step 3. Put special oily muffin paper into the muffin pan. Then pour the egg mixture into the prepared muffin pan. Then, filling the wells about 3/4 of the way full. Bake for about 10-15 minutes at 175 centigrade degrees, depending on your oven heat, until the tops of the frittatas are golden, and the tops are dry to the touch. Let cool slightly before serving. You can prepare these before cooled, and store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Zucchini muffins, low carb. This gluten-free muffin is a delicious and satisfying way to use zucchini. This delicious zucchini muffin made with almond flour, cheddar, and garlic is an easy, healthy, and delicious breakfast or snack. Please support my channel with likes, subscriptions, and comments. Thank you. Ingredients: 2 grated green squash, cheddar cheese, any type of cheese, except cottage cheese, 1 glass of almond flour, baking soda or baking powder, ½ tablespoon, 2 eggs, garlic, 2 pieces, sesame seed, 1 tablespoon, paprika, ½ tablespoon, salt and pepper, desired amount. Preparation. Take the zucchini juice, blend the almond flour, baking soda, spices, and eggs into a blender to make a thick batter. Add the shredded zucchini and cheese. Blend again until combined. No need to puree until completely smooth. You can still see visible pieces of zucchini. Place the muffin paper in the muffin tray, pour our mixture into a mold, and heat it at 175 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. The temperature varies depending on each oven, until it turns golden. Thank you for watching.